Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Paras Dabra, and hope you're having a good day. Before starting the video, I want to make an announcement. Free Facebook group is open for you if you want to learn more how you can implement these strategies and in detail, and you can learn more. I will put a link in the description below. It's my private Facebook group. I share a lot of my learnings, my lot of trainings. I do interviews in it as well, so feel free to use that to build your business to scale it to at least 10k a month for high ticket affiliates and coaches. And about me a little bit, I'm an immigrant from India and I live in Vancouver, Canada, and I'm building my high ticket affiliate and coaching business, and I love making YouTube videos, so here we are. So why I'm making this big statement that competition is just a myth. And when I got started, I didn't make a single sale for about a long time, and I was about on the verge of quitting, but something happened and someone came in my life that made me understand that competition is just a myth, that it's ingrained in your mind. And I will explain everything in detail, like how you can get after the mentality and really focus on building your business without thinking about the competition that much. And just stay with me end of the video, and you'll get a lot of value through this. So for me to making this amount of money online and making this channel, to building my business, building my Facebook group, how I was able to do this as a total beginner. And I'm an immigrant from India. I don't have that much good English skills that might have people who are already who are born in USA or Canada. And for the marketing side, I was not good that much at marketing, like online marketing. I didn't know how to do this thing, and doing the sales was hard too. I had some skills in sales, but it was hard too. So all the cards were against me, but I was still able to make it just because I understand this thing. So what I mean by this? So when I was on the verge of quitting, my mentor, I didn't ask this question. I thought it would be silly to just ask the person like, how can I handle competition? I just feel really bad competition, because it's understandable. It's just business, as you have to deal with competition. But I asked him, and the answer he gave me blew my mind. So the answer was, it's just the belief that there is even competition. So he explained me in detail. So I'm gonna, if you can imagine a scenario that not even a scenario in real life, go back past 20 years, 30 years when you started school. And before that, there is no competition. At home, there is no competition. Even you have siblings, you are the same. But once you enter the school, everything is about competition. Who is getting first in class? Who is a loser in class and getting 0 marks? Who wins on the sport day? Who wins all the competitions? And I was always an average student. I used to see everyone, higher than me or getting more grades than me. But it's just the mentality. We are human beings, and everyone have their own strengths and skills. And we think that, if someone got more marks in one subject, they are better than us. And it doesn't really work like that. Everyone can be abundant, everyone can get first in class, but it's just the belief. If someone is getting first, I am down. You can still make money, you can still do a lot of other things, you can still make money online, you can still build your business. And what happens from the first standard, from first grade to about in college to university, wherever you have studied, it's all telling us, there is a competition. If you get better grades, you will get a better job. If you get better, everything better, like, I don't know how many other, you can, if you win in sports, if you get first in sports, you will get better job. If you get this, you get this. But it's not like that. Why need anyone need to lose if you have to win? So you are thinking, imagine if you started making money more than all over the world, more than Elon Musk, it means everybody's losing? No, right? They're still, everybody's making money, they're all abundant. So it's just a lack of thinking that there's not lack of enough of resources to be around. And you can just stick in that all your life and don't do anything, because what can happen, you can join any business, you can start any business in the world, you can do a startup. Even the startup is a new idea, and there's no one competition. Someone is gonna do the same business exactly like you a month later, not even a freaking year later, or a month later. There is not, when Uber started, there was no company, but now there are Lyft, there are taxi competition too, there are a lot of Ola cabs too, there are a lot of other competition. So if they start thinking, oh, there is no competition in the there is a lot of competition market, just get out of the market. It doesn't make sense. And especially in this coaching space, in this high ticket affiliate space, there are so many problems you can solve. And and people don't have just one problem. Imagine someone have, we are human beings, we have three conditions, we have three core problems, like our relationships, our health, our wealth. And if you can even fix a single part of it, you can help someone make money, you can help someone save money. So there are a lot of things you can focus on. And even going any single niche, there's a lot of competition anyways. So just focus on one and drill down and make your skills better, so more people can be impacted. Right now, if I upload this video, it's gonna be 30 videos on my channel. Some people are doing the same thing, pretty sure about that, building their online business, building a coaching business, but not but they have like 200,000 subscribers. I have 45 subscribers. In what way I can compare to them? And imagine I say, oh, this guy has lot of subscribers, lot of like clients, how can I win? It's not about winning, it's about helping people. You don't need to compare every time you put a post out, you do content out, to compare yourself with others. And just about thinking, like as I mentioned before, like imagine you comparing apple and oranges. The biggest thing is, why did you compare apple and oranges? So it's the same thing, like everything has their own strengths and weaknesses, right? We just need to work on our strengths more, and just little balance the weaknesses, so you don't get into a trap of like, I'm really bad on the discipline side when I started the business, and now I'm learning more like how to balance my good side and the bad side. And you see the example here, you don't have to focus on other people's skills, like you don't have to compare. You're just focusing on your own path, and in your focusing on path, you're gonna help a lot of people, you're gonna change a lot of lives, you're gonna make a lot of money as well. But you just to focus. A lot of people even quit after working for 2 months, because say, I can't see even a single result that things are falling in my play. It might be a chance that you don't want to do this inside. But if you really want to impact people's life, if you really want to change someone's life, you want to really give someone the gift of making money online, or having a really beautiful relationship with their spouse, or having a really good health, they can live more. If they are, imagine someone is really fat, and they can live more 20 years longer with their kids, with their spouse, because of you, if you are in the fitness niche. So it's a big thing you're doing for someone. And as I mentioned, competition is just a myth. It's just about mental conditioning from a young age to until now, that there should be a competition and there should be things happen. Even on the jobs, people are rewarded that, oh, this guy did some good thing. You are part of the organization as well. It's just that they did something a little bit extra and they get the award. It doesn't mean it doesn't make you a loser if someone is getting something. You can still work and get to wherever you want. You just don't need to go back. You can focus on your strengths, focus on yourself, focus on your fitness, how you can be more disciplined, more how can perform at a really good pace, and you can impact more life. If you can focus on impacting more lives than focusing on other competition, your business is gonna change today. Because in a way, I'm building my business, I'm making sales, I'm building this YouTube channel, I'm building my community, I'm building my business. So it's just the mind thing. And the one thing, a big thing I want to share, this is something changed my mind. Think about this. If you're doing this subconsciously as well, I was doing it consciously, so I had the awareness of, oh, I'm really like, whenever I see competition, I see other people post, other people doing something, I start comparing. If you're doing that consciously, you can fix it. If you're doing it unconsciously as well, think about it. If you want to go in any stream, if you want to start an Instagram channel, if you want to do something, like a lot of my friends want to start Instagram unboxing, Instagram or something like that, but they are stopping. Oh, who's gonna watch my channel? There are people with 100,000 subscribers, there are people with million subscribers. So it doesn't matter. The matter is how I'm gonna impact people, impact with your life. Hope this video makes a lot of sense to you. If you have any question, drop down in the comments. And I will mentioning in free Facebook group is open for you. Feel free to join, and I will let you in and we can talk. And there are a lot of free trainings, free interviews. You can learn a lot. You can build your business to $10,000 a month. And peace out.